Welcome to the unboxing video of boAt Enigma X500. Without wasting time, let's get into it. I bought this product from Amazon. As the launching price, it cost 3,999 rupees when I bought. It might change in the near future. To open the package, we have to peel the plastic cover and two sealed stickers on both the sides. The box itself comes with standard packaging with some ancient drawings on the top and boAt and Enigma writings on the sides. Inside the box first, we will see the welcome card with the same drawings on the package and a send your limit message from boAt. Next, we will get user manual card with a QR code which can be downloaded by scanning it. Following up with a warranty card with same type of QR code for registering the product. Inside one more layer we will see the watch. The watch comes with metallic body and silicone straps. There are three options available for the same product. One of them comes with stainless steel chain and body. And another one with same body, which I have now, and teal-green silicone straps. Following the watch, we will get a magnetic charging cable, which can be connected to any USB port. The watch specifications has been given on the screen. The watch itself comes with 300 mAh battery. As per the brand, the watch will last 10 days in single charge with normal use. To power on the watch, press and hold the top button for 5 seconds and it will start the device. As per the first impression, the watch will be a good choice for under 4K budget. For the first setup, I will be doing a separate video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more tech-related videos.